How to join a Discord server without invite link. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Discord application in your mobile device. And after that, log into your Discord account. Once you're logged in, you land on this homepage. Navigate to the top left corner and from that menu bar, you will see a plus icon. Tap on that. Now from this interface, tap on a Join Server button that you will find at the bottom section of your interface. Now from here you have to type in the name of your server that you would like to join. So there you have a text box on this interface, tap on that. Now there you have to first of all type in HTTPS and then to dot, after that to / and then type in discord.gg. After that, 1 / now you have to type in your Discord server name that you want to join. For example, I have this server name. And once you do that, type in the button that says join with invite link. Tap on that. Now, this is a server that you want to join. After that, tap on accept invite if you would like to join directly, or no thanks if you don't want to join here. I will just go with no thanks, but to join the server, tap on accept invite, and after that you will be directly connected to a server. So that's how you can join a Discord server without an invite link. That's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.